Alright, creepy creators, I'm back. This is an update to the axe. Decided to give it a different look, so I'll be adding on this other piece here. So nothing is perfectly straight. None of my lines on here are perfectly straight either. It's all freehand. So I cut the piece. I seen that there are some gaps, but that's fine. The hot glue will take place of those gaps. It will reinforce that foam board. And I'm just adding on some more glue on the front side, and I will do the other side as well once I do the texturing on here. So this is just to reinforce that foam board piece on there. Now this is where I'm starting to do the texturing, so I'm laying out the edges for the blade, the outline at least, and then I will start going in and making the texture that I want to have on this piece. And as I was saying before, the pattern's up to you, which way you want to crisscross, draw the lines, loop around, however you want to do it. It's all your take on this. And now I'm pretty much done with this side. I will do the other side and I'll show you the end result. Alright, here's the first side, and I'm done with this side here. And the design came out pretty good, not too bad. I can always go back and change it if I want to. But all in all, it looks pretty good. I like it, and that's it. And of course the other side looks good too as well. And there's the final piece I needed in there to finish this axe. Turned out great, looks awesome, can't wait to use it. Definitely going to be eagerly waiting to take this out from the attic and bring it down for a Halloween scare. And good luck on yours. Please smash that like button and take the time to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.